everyone, and welcome to the Research Library presented virtually. I am Ann Stenger, the librarian for the Lawrenceburg and Batesville locations. So welcome to tonight's presentation. We are going to go through a couple of different sources that will be good for you to use to complete Mrs. Tibbetts' research paper. So everybody should be on the screen that you see now, which is ivtech.edu. Go ahead and log in, as I'm going to do now. And I'll give you a few minutes, a few seconds to go ahead and get logged on. And then we will be taking a look at what's available via the virtual library. But we have to know how to find it first. So this is going to be a very short screencast, but we are going to scroll down, and you'll notice that in the bottom left-hand corner of that green toolbar off to your left, you have a link for library. We're going to go ahead and click that link. I'll give you some time to get caught up. All right, hopefully everybody is with me. If you are not, don't panic. You can always stop the recording and get caught up, and then Mrs. Tibbetts can restart it for you. So this is the landing page for the Lawrenceburg Ivy Tech Campus Library. You'll notice that below the rectangle here, which has an open search box, we have this as a method to get to our resources, but directly below that, where it says A to Z resources, we have an option to search for sources here. So if we click A to Z, we're literally going to find an alphabetical listing. And the one I want to show you first is a product called Academic Search Premier. So when I restart the recording, this is where we will be. This is not an ideal situation because I cannot be with you this evening, but this is version 2 of the Zoom session of the research workshop. So I'm going to pause this recording now. Shortly, and then we will pick up right here when we leave off, or when we restart, excuse me, and we will be off and running. Please remember that there aren't any silly questions, so if you have questions, grab a piece of paper, write them down quickly, and then give those to Mrs. Tibbetts in between the sessions that you're watching this evening, and she can pass those along to me, and we will get you some answers if you have questions. So I'll be right back.